Hello everyone, Flavia Moki here. Happy Friday, whatever you are. And want to shoot a quick video. And the topic of the video today is yesterday's price is not today's price. Can I repeat? Yesterday's price is not today's price. So I don't know if you have tried sometimes to go get a ticket to fly somewhere, right? And you're like, I'll try tomorrow, see, or you get busy and forget it. Then you go tomorrow, the next day or 2 days after, right? You go to the computer, try to book the flight, and the flight has gone up by 30 bucks. You're like, what? You get upset, I'm not gonna do it. Before you know it, the price of the ticket goes to like close to 80, 90 bucks, right? So what does that got to do with the insurance? Because I want to talk about insurance. So there are many factors that make the insurance go up. So you talk to an agent asking for ask him or her for a quote, and they give you a quote, right? And say, I'm still shopping around. I'll get back to you, and maybe a week goes by. So some of the things that might affect your quote, I want to kind of demystify that, is the credit report is one of the items that might affect the quote. So let's say you had a ding in your credit or something happened, then maybe when they ran the credit, you had a good credit, and now you're a couple points down. Some other things that might happen is there are laws that come about that might change. Also, there are like natural disasters that happen, right? So let's say, like, for example, California, if you didn't have like fire insurance where to protect your home, right? And then you thought your home was safe, and all of a sudden you see the fire kind of go in a couple cities, and your house is gonna be like maybe 2 towns over, right? Then you go ahead and say, you know what, I want to get insurance. Then you call the insurance company, the same quote they gave you, let's say, a month ago, and now you want to get it. They're like, no, we're not giving you policies. So things change. So that's what I'm saying. Yesterday's price is not today's price. So whatever you do, time is of the essence. So if you want to make moves, make moves. And if the price changes, just know those are some of the things that make the price change. So tomorrow I have a radio show 3 p.m. Oh, sorry, 3:30 p.m. Arizona time, Mountain Standard, which is gonna be 6:30 Eastern. I'm gonna talk about all these things. Talking about about pricing, about like what makes the price of insurance go high, how you can kind of work with coverages to whatever deductibles to reduce your premium. So I'll be kind of just demystifying insurance. So if you're available, jump online. I'm gonna share the link of the radio show on my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So look it up. So let's connect tomorrow. Jump in, ask questions, and I'll answer your questions. So take care. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye. For now, bye bye.